Experience natin
Lawan, sa pangunguna po ng ating bugay sa ano po meron tayong kinukuha.
Hey! Ay!
Hello guys, welcome everyone. Welcome on board. My name is Ryan Christian Puligratis. You want to call me Ayan.
I know. Yeah.
I'd like to introduce my team. First thing first is Sir Roy, the boat captain, and my partner. We are the guys for today.
Yes, man.
Have 4 island destination for today. Johnson and Shield Island, and the last one is Pagbulit. Our lesson for today is finish or not finish, pass your paper. Wait na ulit kayo.
So yung mga katikalo, nandito tayo ngayon sa Johnson Island at dito tayo sa pwesto natin sa Sandbar. Talagang tingnan nyo doon, may mga ibon pa doon sa una, no? Magandang ano po ba kayo dito? Foreign?
Yes, I'm a foreign.
First time nyo lang po ba dito mag-island hopping sa Roas?
Second.
Second na.
Yes,
Okay. Ano pong experience nyo, sir? Anong pong masasabi nyo sa ano natin dito sa...
This is a spot is so beautiful.
Okay, but okay.
Because your face dugago.
Ano mo na yung spoken poetry ba yan?
Picture! Eh,
Via from my team, so very thankful na nagkasan kami ng torneo. And Sa akin po, napakalaking bagay po ito kasi first time po maging isang tour guide. Thank you po sa inyong lahat. And once again po, thank you very much. God bless and mabuhay po sa ating lahat.
You're my dream girl, living in my dream world. My dream girl, living in my dream world.